Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks closed higher overnight as Wall Street braced from quarterly reports from some of the biggest companies in the world. This includes reports from financial institutions such as Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, and Goldman Sachs. Results are also due from United Airlines, Las Vegas Sands, and technology giants Tesla and Netflix. Overall, the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.22%, its highest closing level in 2023. The S&P 500 climbed 0.39%, while the Nasdaq Composite advanced 0.93%. Shares of tech giant Apple added 1.7%, while Tesla climbed 3.2%. Shares of JP Morgan Chase ticked up 2.4%. Wall Street expects a gloomy season with lower profits. Analysts forecast a more than 7% decline in S&P 500 earnings from a year ago, according to FactSet. This week also ushers in the Federal Reserve's blackout period ahead of its July policy meeting. Traders anticipate a roughly 97% chance the central bank increases interest rates later this month after pausing hikes in June, according to CME's group's FedWatch tool. Stocks are coming off a winning week that saw the Dow Jones Industrial Average gain at 2.3% to notch its best weekly gain since March. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite added 2.4% and 3.3% respectively. The moves came on the heels of solid big bank earnings and softer inflation reports that lifted investor sentiment. That heightened some hopes that the central bank may be able to tamp down inflation without tipping the economy into a recession. In commodity-related news, Russia's decision to terminate a significant grain export deal with Ukraine a year into the agreement has raised concerns about the global food supplies and intensified tensions in the region. Western leaders criticised the move as unconscionable and cynical. Meanwhile, Fitch Ratings' downgrade of Mexico's state-owned oil company, coupled with a negative debt outlook, resulted in Mexican oil bonds experiencing the largest decline in Latin America on Monday. Overall, US sectors were mixed overnight. Tech was the best performer, whilst utilities was the worst. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.3% fall. Thank you for listening.